Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Currently in the bathroom, so you guys hear me flush. That's just normal. um, so I had a lot of people comment, on Doggy, basically telling me like, oh, Doggy to $1, Doggy to $1.25, Doggy to $8, Doggy to like some crazy prices. And the thing is, that's cool. Like I said, I still like Doggy. There's no reason for me to like Doggy. When I originally bought it, I just bought it as fool's insurance, right? I didn't think it was actually going to blow up into some crazy thing. But, I'm getting all these comments that are saying, doggy to $1, doggy to $2, doggy to $8. And I'm just like, okay, that's cool. But why? Show me an analysis that says this can actually reach the certain amount. Like, are you saying this because of the community? Or are you saying this because Elon Musk supports it? Is there some TA that shows that it's going to run up to like $1, like $1.50? Is this being blasted on the media that it's going to be a certain price? Like I'm not trying to argue with anybody, right? I legit want to know. Like whenever I do something, I always provide like analysis on why I think this is going to happen, right? Like an actual TA analysis. That's you guys know that's all I do. I just do TA, right? I don't really care too much about fundamentals, which is going back to Doggy, right? Doggy is no fundamentals. There's absolutely nothing, fundamentally available on Doggy that'll actually make it shoot up and survive at like $1 or like $5, right? There's nothing. Doggy is like one of the worst coins ever. Let's just put that and be honest, about Doggy coin, right? I personally made a lot of money off of Doggy coin. Some of you guys know, I had like 600,000 Doggy and I sold like around, I think like 30-ish, 40 cents. Ugh. But like I said, there's a reason why I sold at certain prices. There's a reason why I bought, and also I want to know everybody's opinion on why or just links on why you guys think Doggy is gonna hit like $1.50. Change my mind. I'm asking for people to send me proof because so far, whenever I ask anybody, I'm like, yo. If you guys think this is gonna happen, that's cool, but why? You can't just go off a gut feeling. Gut feelings don't prove anything. It's just feelings don't matter in trading, right? I can tell you, oh, I feel like Tesla's gonna go to $10,000 in a year, but guess what? It's all bullshit because it's a feeling, right? Feelings don't fucking matter in trading. Somebody give me an analysis. Somebody give me a link that actually, provides some sort of proof that Doggy won't actually go back down to where I said it, or not necessarily that, but just actually go up that supports like a move to like $1 or past that, right? Like, I mean, that's cool. Like, if you guys actually convince me, I'm gonna buy into Doggy, right? Like, I'm about making money. I don't really care about me being right or wrong. If you guys convince me, and these links or this analysis that you guys can provide actually shows me that there's a solid chance that Doggy is gonna run to like $8, fuck, I'll throw in like 50 grand today, right? But again, there has to be some sort of analysis on why you guys think this. You guys, I hate seeing these comments just say, oh yeah, blah blah blah, this and that, and then I ask why, and then nobody links me any information or nobody tells me why, right? Not a real reason why. So I mean, yeah, just do that, please.